To arrest the waka about and joblessness of youth for Rivers State, one ogbonge youth group wey be Ogoni Youth Federation don ready gidigba to train over 150 Ogoni youths for different tech skills. Presido of the group Legbosi Yambana kon tok say the society go dey free of crime and bad things if the youth get better thing wey dem dey do. Legbosi yarn this one after the orientation program wey dem organize for the beneficiaries. E come still tok say dis ogbonge training wey dem organize so na wetin dem plan to do to empower youth from Ogoni extraction.
This is our own little way of giving back to our kingdom and our nation. We believe that this training is going to bring about good tidings to the land. And it is, like we have described it, our own personal social responsibility to our people. And we are deliberately, building up youths that will be self-reliant. And this is our own way of curbing the menace of social vices in our land. Because like the going says, an idle man is the devil's workshop. So by the time these youths are engaged mentally and have their hands doing something, they wouldn't have time to go to the street to go and constitute havoc. And we are doing this deliberately. So we are giving our people education, but now with tech skills. And our youths are going to be trained with cutting-edge skills, such as cybersecurity, website development, software development, data analytics, and lots more.
Some beneficiaries constitute mouth on how they see this empowerment program.
I saw it online, just as I said. So after going through their profile, I now see it necessary for me to involve in the package that I saw there, which is the data analysis. So I know that the Ogoni Youth Federation mean well for the Ogoni people, because this is a umbrella bodies that have been shadowed with the responsibility of ensuring that the Ogoni people have been salvaged from the social vices that prevail within our territory.
When I went through the program and I saw one of the packages, data analysis, is very crucial, because if you check, one of the things students find it difficult how to analyze their data. So when I saw that package, I think it's very, very crucial and important. So I saw that and I decided to come. Today, I'm one of the beneficiaries, so I'm very, very grateful.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.